Hi everyone, welcome to BA Helpline and welcome to another short video. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is data mapping and what is the role of BA in data mapping. So let's say there is a bank who wants to replace their existing system with a new system, okay? And let's say in the existing system, okay, we are storing customer name as, for an example, John Smith, okay? But in the new system, okay, we have to store the customer name as first name as last name. So first name should be John and last name should be Smith, okay? Let's say in the existing system, we are storing date as day, month, and year format. But in the new system, we have to store in year, month, and day format. Okay. Let's say in the existing system, our product codes are MF02, EQ02. But in the new system, we have to give the complete name of the product. Okay, like mutual fund, equity. Okay, so someone has to define this, okay, and that someone is business analyst. Okay, so someone has to define like how data is moving, okay, what transformation has to be applied, what business rules has to be applied, okay, what happens if data is missing. Okay, so this is called data mapping. Okay, and this is where business analyst plays a major role. As a BA, like if I am there in the project, I will first understand what is the source system, what are the target system, field mappings, data issues, downstream impact, and then I'm going to create a mapping specification document which will have source field, target field, transformation logic, validation rules, default values. Okay, but the real projects are not that simple. Okay, you will face missing data, duplicate records, inconsistent data format, okay, conflicting business rule. For example, let's say target system will require risk profile, but the source system does not have it. So now as a BA, I will facilitate discussion, like can we derive it from other system, can another system provide this data, can we derive it, okay, like should default values apply. So this is like as a BA we do data gap analysis. Okay, and yes, as a BA we also use SQL to validate data, identify duplicates, okay, compare source versus target records. So data mapping is not just Excel work. Okay, it's about understanding how business data actually move across system, and honestly this is one of the most valuable skills in banking, ETL kind of a project, data migration projects, API projects, okay, and in other domains also. So I hope this short video helps you. And if you want to learn it in a very practical way, so I'm conducting a webinar on 31st May. I'll drop the link of that webinar. You can join. Thank you.